Hey, this is Donnie Troy, president of OneQuest Payment, your friend in merchant services. In this video, I'm going to show you what your monthly merchant statement will look like with us. I'm going to compare it to our competitors, so that way you can see why our statements trump the other statements out there. They're easy to comprehend. Your accountant will absolutely love them. So let's first start with one of our competitor statements. As you can see here, they process roughly $23,000 in volume. And look at their rate right here, 10 cents per transaction. They've got a qualified credit of 1.8 and a qualified debit of 1.2%. Wow, these are great rates. Man, that's awesome. This merchant thinks that he's paying 1.8% roughly every single month with their credit card volume. Well, let's look at their statement. As you see, there's a bunch of different fees here. And let's see what the amount deducted from their bank account was. $706.82. So let's do some quick math. Let's just take 707, divide that by 23,000, and they didn't process this much volume, so it's going to make the rate look even better than what it actually is. 3.07%. That's what the merchant's actual rate is. That's what they're losing in profitability when they run a credit card transaction. Remember, this is for the entire month. That's what you should be looking at, because good merchant providers debit your account, they debit the fees after you process for an entire month. So don't get bogged down by a transaction fee or a discount rate. Okay, they take the fees out one time per month, so you should compare the total fees to your total volume and see where your effective rate is. That will allow you to shop around and get the best rate. So let's look at another one of our competitors' rates. This is your typical bank statement. This is the type of statement a bank will produce for you if you go with like Bank of America or Wells Fargo. So as you see here, they got a total fees line item of $672, another line item of $560, and another line item of $178. Now they do total it up for a grand total of $1,413. Now that's all great, but a lot of business owners, they don't get their credit card statements. They don't know why they stopped being mailed to them. They don't know how to find them online. This type of statement right here, this business owner will have 3 debits each month in their bank account. All 3 of those line items that I just read will be separate debits from their bank account. So they have to add those up themselves, because if they don't get a statement and they don't know where to find the actual grand total, this statement's 12 pages long. So they might not know exactly where this grand total is, because it actually goes, there's a couple other line items that show grand totals, but this is the actual grand total. So they're going to have to add up the fees in their bank account, which isn't a big deal. But then they don't know, they have nothing to compare it to. You know, where's their credit card volume? They're going to have to go through this 10-page statement and find out exactly what they did in credit card volume, and then divide it by these 3 fees, add it up together to find out what their effective rate is. So most of the time, when a business owner has this type of statement, they don't even know, they have no idea what their effective rate is. They think their rate is whatever the sales guy told them 2 years ago when they signed up. So let's look at one of our statements. So here's how we do things. We total charge to your account. This is your total fees, $1,065. And then we have your total credit card volume, $67,911. Now this is every single card type that you take. MasterCard, American Express, Visa, Discover. These fees are related to every single card type. So we debit your account one time per month, and on the statement we show you what your total fees are. So you can do a quick calculation. You just simply divide your total fees by your total volume, and this is this merchant's effective rate for the month, 1.56%. Now every single month they can simply look at their bank statement and see what the debit was, divide it by their credit card volume. Now we mail you your statement. You can get a paper statement, or you can get an online virtual terminal. Now everyone actually gets the online virtual terminal. The choice is between whether you want a paper statement or not. But you're going to have a login, your own username, password. You can log in. It's going to have all your statements, all your reporting on there. So you can give this information to your accountant at the end of the year. They can log in, simply print out all your statements. And because there's only one debit of fees, and we list all your credit card transactions, and we fund you all your credit card transactions as a single deposit. So we're going to credit your account each day. Say you did $1,000 and 200 of it was Amex, you're still going to get $1,000 in your bank account. We're not going to separate the American Express or the Discover like a lot of companies do. So this is going to make consolidation extremely easy for you, and you can monitor your rate. You know that your effective rate should be right around 1.56% every single month. So you can easily do the calculation and make sure that it's there. And if for some reason it jumps up, you can give us a call and we can look at it for you. Now, we know that our rates don't go up, but if you have any kind of question, we can easily go over it with you, and it allows you to have more control. It's very transparent. We're not hiding anything from you. We want to work with you for the life of your business. We're in this for the long-term relationship, and we're going to hold your hand every step of the way. No matter what it is regarding this aspect of your business, you can count on us. So I really hope this video helped. I hope you understand why our statements will help you out. They'll help your accountant. They'll make life easier. And we really look forward to talking with you. Give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.